Hey everyone, I hope you are doing great. So, I am back with another video of Excel. So, let's get started. So, today's topic is how to separate data into column wise. Like you all see this line like ID, name, email, phone number exist in one column, but I want to separate these into different columns. So, how to do it? Simply select the data and then go to data and then go to text to columns, then select next and then again select. Like I want to separate these into columns, so I check the space like this and then click on next and click on finish. So this data have been successfully edited and separated into different columns. Thank you very much.